Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to the computer science class. This is the sixth module of Unit 3. So far, we discussed about MySQL, SQL, its features, and various processing capabilities of MySQL. In this module, we are going to deal with data definition language commands in depth. My dear children, as you all know, there are 6 commands for DDL, that is create, alter, drop, use, show, describe. Now let me discuss what are all the commands which can be deal with databases in DBMS. DDL commands which are dealing with databases. The first one is create. This is the syntax to create a database in a DBMS. Create database, database name. Here database name is an argument, that is the choice of the programmer. Look at the example given in the red color. Create database MyDB. Here MyDB represents the database name. The second command is show databases. It will list out the existing database names in DBMS. Then the third one is use. Use database is used for opening any kind of database, or we can say it as changing the database from one to another. The syntax is use database name. Look at the example given. Use MyDB. So the queries you are writing after this command, or the transactions you are dealing after this command, is affected only in the database named MyDB. The fourth command, that is remove, to delete a database from a DBMS. Look at the syntax given. Drop database, database name. Example, drop database MyDB. My dear children, while we are applying drop command into a DBMS, that command will remove the database from the database system, that is from our system. It cannot be recollect or recover from the hard disk. There are many other commands in DDL which deals with the tables. Look at one of the example, create database MySQL. Similarly, we are having create table student, drop table, describe table. There are many other commands in DDL. In the upcoming modules, we are going to discuss about the DDL commands which deals with the tables. I think you are all clear about the commands which are deals with the databases. Thank you.